guys, इसमें in this Kali Linux the firewall does not exist. You can check here. I am running the command is firewall and cmd, so it is not executing. Okay. Another thing is UFW does not exist. Okay, so if UFW and firewall does not exist, in a IP table only it does exist. IP tables. And also there is a not enough tables is exist, not exist. Okay, so what you need to do first, either you can install the firewall D, either you can install the UFW. This is the graphical interface, this is the command line interface. So what you can do, you can simply run the command sudo and apt install and firewall D. Okay, and install it. So one thing, you need to install the firewall D to implement the firewall or configuration or do the configuration over the firewall. Another command is you need to run the same apt install then UFW. Okay, this is the graphical interface of the firewall. So if you want to do the configuration by using the firewall, so you can use the UFW. So it will use for graphical interface. Another is you can run the cmd command and -- list and zones. This is the information. You will list all the zones. So does not exist. So I need to run the firewall cmd command and -- help, which will display you all the available content. Okay, so content is there. It is quite easy. You can use this content and checking. So what you need to do, you need to split this terminal vertical. So you can see the command is there, so you can use this command for configuring. So what you can do here, you need to run the simple command firewall and cmd, and you can check here or check for the state -- state command. So it will this not running. So what you need to do, first you need to run this firewall. So how you can run this firewall, sudo and system ctl start firewall D command. Okay, provide the name here and the firewall is running. So now check for the state. So asking for the password again, so I am putting the password, here it is, and it is running. Now you can enable also if you want to check the status. So you can put here the status. So you can check it is active and running, but it is disabled. So you can enable this. By enabling, you need to run here status, then enable the firewall. Enable. Okay. So what does it means enable? When you are doing the enable, so whenever your Kali Linux will be boot, you will get this reply. Okay. Another things what you can do, another things is now you can check the state, you can reload. So what is the meaning of the reload? Reload meaning your firewall will be reload and check for the new type of the configuration. If any newer configuration is there, so it will be checked. So I am switching this sudo. Okay, so now I am checking here, get the default zone or get the zones. So you can run this, get the zones, firewall cmd and -- get zones. Okay, block zones, internal zones, and if you want to get the service, so you can run the -- zones is equal to firewall, public public zone and hyphen get firewall cmd and these are the predefined services. And if you want to list all the zones, so you can run the list -all and then zones. Okay, you will have to give some time and then you can check for this. Okay.